How to upload any photo as your profile picture on Snapchat. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up the App Store. In the search bar, simply search for Snapchat. Once you search for it, you need to go ahead and simply tap onto it. And just like that, make sure the app is updated. If you see any update button instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Now after that, head back to your home screen, open up the Snapchat application in your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon and just like that, simply tap on this pencil-like icon one more time. Just like that, your photo gallery will open up. Now from here, select the photo you want to use, including photos from your memories. Simply tap onto it. Just like that, crop or zoom as you want. After that, simply tap on confirm. Just like that, your profile picture is now updated with any photo you choose on Snapchat. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.